The students who figure out how to use AI effectively are not just doing their work faster. They are developing a different quality of thinking, learning to ask better questions, synthesizing information more precisely, communicating their understanding more clearly, building a set of skills that will be genuinely useful long after the specific subject matter they are studying has faded. The students who ignore AI are not just slower. They are preparing for a world that has already moved on. This is not about using AI to cheat. It is about using AI the way every professional in every field is now using it, as a thinking partner, a research assistant, a writing coach, and a preparation tool. The students who build these habits now will enter their careers already fluent in the tools that are reshaping every industry. Today, I am sharing the complete toolkit, the specific AI tools and methods that produce the most meaningful academic improvement across research, writing, revision, and exam preparation. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Tool 1. Research and understanding. The first and most fundamental use of AI for students is accelerating understanding. Most students approach a difficult topic by reading the textbook, attending the lecture, and hoping that enough repetition produces enough comprehension. When understanding does not arrive, they read the same material again, slower, more carefully, often with diminishing returns. AI provides a completely different path to understanding. Instead of reading the same explanation again, ask Claude to explain the concept differently. Ask it to use an analogy. Ask it to connect the concept to something you already understand well. Ask it to explain what the concept is not, which often clarifies what it is more effectively than a direct explanation. Ask Claude to identify the 3 most common misunderstandings students have about any topic you are studying. Knowing where the confusion typically lives helps you check your own understanding against the right questions rather than assuming comprehension you may not have. For research, use Perplexity AI to find current sources on your topic. Unlike a general search which returns a mix of quality, Perplexity synthesizes and cites, giving you a starting point for deeper reading rather than a list of links to evaluate. The combination of Claude for understanding and Perplexity for sourcing covers most academic research needs at a level of efficiency that manual methods cannot match. Tool 2. Essay and assignment. Writing. AI does not write your essays. You write your essays, with AI as your coach throughout the process. An essay written by AI and submitted as your own produces no learning and significant risk. An essay planned with AI, drafted by you, and improved with AI feedback produces substantially better work and better thinking. Start every essay by giving Claude your assignment brief and asking it to help you identify the strongest possible argument. Not the obvious one. The most defensible, most interesting, most specific argument available given the question and evidence. Ask Claude to critique your planned structure before you write. Where does the argument weaken? What counter-arguments are you not addressing? Write the essay yourself. Then give Claude your draft and ask for specific feedback, where the argument is unclear, where the evidence does not support the claim, and where the writing could be more precise. This process produces essays that reflect genuinely better thinking rather than AI thinking dressed in the student's formatting. Tool 3. Revision and memorization. Most students revise by rereading their notes. Rereading is one of the least effective revision methods available. It creates familiarity which the brain mistakes for knowledge. Active recall. Being forced to retrieve information rather than recognize it produces significantly stronger retention. AI makes active recall effortless to generate for any subject. Give Claude your revision notes or a topic summary and ask it to generate 20 questions that test your understanding rather than your recognition. Not questions that can be answered by scanning the notes, questions that require you to think and construct an answer from memory. Answer every question without looking at your notes. Then check your answers. The questions you got wrong or struggled with become your revision priorities, not the topics that feel comfortable because you have read them multiple times. Ask Claude to create a spaced repetition schedule for your revision, spreading review of each topic across multiple sessions at increasing intervals rather than cramming everything into the night before. Spaced repetition is consistently the most effective revision method available. AI makes the scheduling effortless. Tool 4. Exam preparation. The week before an exam is when most students discover that their understanding has gaps they did not know existed. AI reveals those gaps before the exam rather than during it. Give Claude the syllabus or topic list for your upcoming exam and ask it to generate a full practice paper. The types of questions a well-designed exam on this material would include. Answer the practice paper under timed conditions without notes or assistance. Then give Claude your answers and ask for a marking and feedback session. For each answer, where was the understanding complete? Where was it partial? And where was it absent? The feedback from one practice paper session with Claude is more targeted and more actionable than most students receive from their entire revision process. Ask Claude to explain every topic you answered incorrectly in a different way from how it appears in your notes. The goal is not to memorize a better answer, but to genuinely understand why your answer was wrong and what the correct understanding looks like. Do this with 2 practice papers in the week before any major exam. The improvement in both confidence and actual performance is consistently significant. The habit that underlies all 4 tools behind every effective use of AI in academic study is one habit: asking better questions. AI is only as useful as the question you ask it. A vague question produces a vague answer. A specific, well-framed question that gives Claude the context it needs to respond precisely produces a genuinely useful answer. The students who get the most from AI are not the ones who use it most. They are the ones who have learned to ask it the right questions. And the practice of asking better questions is itself one of the most valuable skills a student can develop. What subject are you currently struggling to understand no matter how many times you read the material? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a clearer picture of how to use AI to genuinely improve your studies, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.